Hello everyone, my name is Bolaji. I'm a product designer, and in this video I just want to walk us through how to use Lapa.ninja as a web designer. Whether you're a web designer, you're a product designer, you are a UI designer, you're a UX designer, anyone, as long as you design experience, you ship products for people, for businesses. So this video is for you. So we'll be exploring Lapa.ninja. And Lapa.ninja is just like a resource base for designers, for web designers to pick inspiration from real life experience, real life products to say. This video is actually inspired by one of my guys who had an experience of how is he going to navigate through Lapa.ninja. So, and I decided to make a short video on it to show us how to use Lapa.ninja. So this is the best landing page design inspiration to learn design and more. So when you get to Lapa.ninja, you don't have to do much. Either you scroll down like this, you scroll down, you see experiences like real website to say, or you just you type out something that you want to search for. Here, up here, let's say I want to type out an EdTech product. I'll just type EdTech. Let me see what the response will be. Basically, okay, I have two results here as EdTech. I will say that this kind of search result is giving me this vibe of Behance.net, where you search for something and you see another thing. So basically, I won't use the search stuff, the search bar or anything. I will just go to the website and I will just click on these categories that we have here. This is how we have it in Mopin as well. Let's say I want to click on let me go to crypto now. Close this. So let's go to crypto. So these are the experiences, websites, real life websites that we can explore. So as you are looking at these particular parts now, all the websites you are seeing here, these websites they are operate in crypto industry. So let's say you're working on a crypto experience, crypto websites. So we can just come to Lapa.ninja and just click on one of the categories for like our own experience. Now we click on, for our own case now, we clicked on crypto. So let's say I just want to pick anyone that I feel like, oh, I think I will like this. I just pick out crypto. I've seen some, but I still just want to explore. So let me see this Pass.app. I just click on it. So this is how it is. This is even a real website to say. So you can see how clean the interface is. So this can actually inspire your next crypto project to say. So as you can see this, you just scroll down. This is the only thing you have to see here, the whole website. If you really want to like explore the actual website, which is the real website of this Pass.app, I will show us how to go about it very soon. Check through the whole landing page. One thing about Lapa.ninja is that Lapa.ninja will show you just the home page and no other pages of the website. So let's say you want to check the real website, you just go here. This is the real website, Pass.app. It's loading. So now here is how to pick out the experience. the website to say. I love calling it website experience because this is something people interact with. So they want to have something like have an experience with. So I will just copy this, right click. I will right click like this and copy image. So I will go to Figma and I will paste here. You see now, that's how it is. So you can further like explore more. Basically what you need from this kind of inspiration is that you just need to know what you are looking for. You don't need a copy or anything. What you need is the layout to say. So I extend the layout. This is what I need. I don't know the copy you use there or anything. I have my own copy for the website I'm working on. So what you need is the layout. So just copy it. Because the real website is this. You can see the real website. I will reject. So this is the real website. If you want to play around on some interactions or animation, this will inspire you as well. I'm still scrolling. I'm telling you that I'm still scrolling right now. I'm going to link this website below so you can check it as well. So I'm still scrolling. This is very, very inspiring. I'm still scrolling right now. As you can see, I'm still scrolling. So because this is a beautiful experience. I love this. Very, very beautiful. I love the interface. I love this movement and all. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful to see. I'm not going to lie. This is very, very beautiful. Yeah. If you want to explore more, want to know more about this particular website, you can just explore as well. So yeah, basically. So this is just a short video on how to use Lapa.ninja for any project you are working on. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.